Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Nasser-kouraby. As you know, some of you studied with me before elementary and pre-intermediate, and some of you are new to the channel. So in this series or in this playlist, we're going to explain the intermediate book of face-to-face book, second edition, okay? And why I chose this book. This book is very fun and it's communicative way, okay? So I've been teaching this book from the first edition. I tried Headway, New English File, Cutting Edge, and Speak Out. But I still found face-to-face is the best. So that's why I chose it, and I put starter, elementary, and pre-intermediate. So we're going to talk about the book, okay, how it is divided. Okay, after that, we're going to talk about some tips if you want to improve your English and get the most of the benefit of this course, okay? Let's go to the book. I'm going to share it with you here. Okay, so this is the book, the second edition, face-to-face, okay? And it's the level B1 plus, okay? So in this book, we have 12 units. Okay, if you can see here, I'm gonna first of all zoom it. Okay, so until 12 from the first, like 1. Okay, and in every unit we have 4 lessons, always A, B, C, D. Okay, after that we have 2 A, B, C, D, 3 A, B, C, D. Okay, so in each lesson, okay, or unit, you have vocabulary, grammar, and real word, speaking, listening, and video, reading, and writing. You can find everything because the language is divided to 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, writing, and 3 system: grammar, function, which were the function of the words, okay, and what we call it, grammar, function, and vocabulary. Okay, so if we go to the first unit, let's see here, for example, this is the first unit, the first lesson, 1A. We finish it, okay, 1B, 1C, 1D. Here we finish the first unit, okay? At the end of each unit, not each lesson, each unit, you have pronunciation part, okay? Here we focus on the pronunciation of the words that we study in this unit, okay? So you can say them in a better way, okay? Only at the end of each unit. Okay, when we finish, for example, here we have unit 1. We have at the end of the book, starting from page 129, we have the language, 127, starting the language summary. The language summary is everything in the lesson, whether grammar or vocabulary, okay? You find them here, the explanation after we explain, okay? You can find everything here. Language summary 1, okay, here 2 pages, language summary 2, okay, language summary 3, and so on. After that, at the end of the book, let's go audio, okay? At the end of the book, you will have everything you listen to or the videos that you watch. You find the script at the end of the book here, the green pages, okay? Okay, after the green pages, the scripts, what we will have, okay, we will have the last page here. We have the sounds, okay? Some people are interested in studying the pronunciation, the good pronunciation of the words, okay, and the letters and the sounds. So here we have the vowel sounds and consonant sounds and how we say them. We're going to use them, of course, in the lessons, but just to know where they are. And under them here, we have the irregular verb list for intermediate level. because in each book there is the table like this, okay? But in every book they give you more words, okay, more difficult words, so you can memorize them: past, past participle, and infinitive, past, past participle, or we say verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, okay? So that was everything about the description of the book, okay? But now we're gonna talk about some tips. If you want to get the most of the benefit of this course, okay, you have to know that this course or this book is not easy. Even if you study with the group or with a teacher, it's not easy. What about if you are studying only by yourself on the YouTube? I know I put all the courses, okay, all the hours, the lessons on YouTube. I explain it exactly the same way I explain it for my students. But I don't believe that this kind of studying, okay, will improve you the way that you think. So maybe you come to, like, you study starter, elementary, pre-intermediate. Okay, you feel you're improving, but I'm sure that your speaking will not be in the same level because you are not practicing speaking, okay? So you have to take it seriously. This book is heavy and you have to take it seriously. And because some lessons can be long, we're gonna make every lesson in 2 or 3 videos. We're gonna explain the vocabulary because here we have more explanation for the vocabulary. Okay, so maybe like 1 or 2 exercises, gonna take maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. So I don't want to make the videos long. So you can finish the vocabulary, then you go after that to the next video, in the same lesson. So we're gonna take like vocabulary alone, reading or listening alone, grammar, real words. Okay, we're gonna take it like this. Okay, so and you will see the videos, like I'll upload the videos maybe like day by day. Okay, so you have to be patient and study. When I give you the lesson, even for the vocabulary, only the vocabulary, take your time to memorize them. Okay, so when you go in the lesson, you can understand easily because we use all these words at the beginning of every lesson, in the grammar, in the reading, in the video. Okay, so what else? And when I talk, if there is, for example, a speaking exercise and I talk about myself, don't skip it. Okay, don't try just you want to know the next exercise. No, because I give you example about myself so you can understand how to talk. Okay, for me, I can talk, alhamdulillah. Okay, I have no problem at all in speaking English, but I speak because I want you to understand me so you can do the same. Okay, I give you examples, I use the vocabulary, and I want you to do the same. Okay, so don't skip anything when I talk. Okay, I have some notes here. Yes, and when I tell you write the answer in the comment down, write the answer because I want to know if you understood or not. If you want to make it interactive, okay, you feel that you are in a class with a teacher. Okay, if you are watching a video and I told you write the answers down, after that check with me, do this, write the answers down, okay, in the comment. After that, check with me in each exercise because I want to know if you understood or no, and it's a good chance for you to write. After that, I check it for you and for free. Okay, I'm telling this to you because I want you to get the most of the benefit from doing this course. When you start listening to any or watching any video, try to be in like studying mood. Okay, don't like watch it while you are on the lunch table or you are like going somewhere. You have to focus on this, okay? And don't just take information. In this way, you will not be able to speak. You have to take some information, stop and apply it, do it, okay? Practice it. After that, take more information, stop and practice. More information, stop and practice. In this way, okay, you're gonna improve It's the same way. If I want to lose my weight, if I want to go to the gym, I don't go. I only watch videos, take information. Then after a year or two, I will know everything about the sport. But my body is not good. You have to take some information, stop and practice, okay? So don't skip anything when I talk. And when I tell you write the answer, okay? I will put the link of the book in the description so you can download the book, okay? And at the end of each video, please put like. If you like it, please put like. Why? Because I want as many students as we can see this video and study. Because if you, the more likes the video, the more likes it has, the YouTube will understand that this video is valuable and good and will recommend it for other people who need to study English, okay? So you can make it as a sadaqah, okay? When you put like some other people, more people will find this video and we will study, okay? So that's it. That's everything about this video, okay? We talked about why I use this book and the division of this book, okay, and how you can deal with it, what you can do inside it, okay, and how you can help the channel so I can give you more. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy the videos and learn as much as you can, and I will see you in the first lesson of this book. Goodbye.